What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. And today we've got a little bit of a different video. Today's video is technically not directly related to my motorcycle at all, so it's not really motorcycle content, but it's kind of indirectly related. As you can see, if you take a look at my maps, we are 4 hours and 18 minutes away from our destination. Where are we going, you might ask? Well, we are going to pick up a trailer for our motorcycle. Yeah, I know, not as exciting, not really anything to do with my bike, but it is important for my bike. So pretty much the reason why I'm getting this enclosed trailer is because next year I'll be living in a house that doesn't have a garage that I can use for my bike. And in the backyard where I'm going to be living, the pollen gets really bad because it's under a giant tree. And two of my buddies lived there last year and they had bikes there and their bikes were getting pretty dirty quick, and I wanted some way to protect my bike. So the plan is to buy this trailer and park it in the backyard and essentially use it for storage for my bike, have my own little personal garage for my bike. So that's kind of reason number one. Two, it's just easier to transport my bike. It's a little hard to get the Aprilia into the back of my truck. My truck is pretty lifted and it has big wheels, so it's really hard to get it that high up. I have a ramp and like it's doable, but you need two people, and it's always a little bit sketchy when you do it, you know? So I'd much rather have a trailer just for that peace of mind, knowing my bike is a lot more secure. So yeah, it's just gonna make transporting and travel so much easier, and it's just, in general, nice to have a trailer for whatever you need, whether you're moving in or whatever. And by the way, I haven't said what the trailer is, but it is a 6x12 V-nose trailer in white. It has like the steel plating in the front, has a side door. I think it's the one with the ramp as well. So it's the door that folds down so you have a ramp. So technically I don't need my ramps anymore. Yeah, I'm super excited to be picking up this trailer. I feel like I got it for a pretty good deal. I'll let you guys know what the price is at the end of the video, but if there's anything wrong with it in person, we might try to talk them down a little bit, but I'm honestly fine with where the price is. I think I'm getting a good deal, but I mean, always try to negotiate in person if possible. So we'll see what we can get, see where we end up at. But yeah, like I said, over 4 hours left. So we're just leaving now, and I guess I'll keep you guys updated. Quick update. We're currently about 2 hours out. If you take a look out the window, we are currently passing right by Baylor University. It's about halfway between Houston and Dallas. Dallas is where we're going to pick up the trailer, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that. But yeah, we're about halfway there. Just wanted to drive by Baylor, see what's up. We stopped about an hour ago in College Station to fill up on gas and then also grab the cash. So we do have the cash right here in this envelope. So we got that out of the way. And then, yeah, we're gonna stop here in Waco to fill up again. We don't need to, but I figured might as well while we're in town. And then, yeah, I will update you guys once we get closer. All right, one last update. We are about only 10 minutes away. Everything's going good so far. Been messaging the guy the whole time, giving him updates. He, responds right away. Asked him a few more questions on the way over. I asked him if the lights and all worked, if everything worked, if there were any issues at all, and he said there's no problems. Asked him if he has the title. He says yes, he has the title. I think he said it's like South Carolina or somewhere really far, but it is a title in another state, which shouldn't be an issue. But yeah, he does have the title. Everything works, looks great. It has what I want. It has the ramp door. It has the side door. I mean, everything's going good so far. No problems yet. Yeah, we're about 9 minutes out. I gotta say, we're kind of in the middle of nowhere right now. We're maybe about 45 minutes out from Fort Worth, and we're out in the country. It's very pretty, some nice scenery, but yeah, I barely tell you where we're at right now. Would be nice to ride our bike here, I'm not gonna lie. Some good twisty roads that I'm on right now. I don't know if you can see, but like, these roads would be pretty nice to ride. Maybe I'll have to come back here and ride, who knows? But yeah, I'll update you guys as we're pulling in. Hey, how's it going? Cardo. Nice to meet you. You have a spare tire? Another tire or no? No? Okay, that's fine. Yeah, they're good. You mind if I hook it up to make sure the lights work? Yeah. I don't think so. Do they work for you? Like, yeah. They work for you? Yeah. I saw the left blinker come on. Did you do the right one? Yeah. You try it again? Now they're working. They are right now. Yeah, it's good right now. Was there something wrong with this? Do you know? That one. Oh, this one back here? Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Let me see if I can plug it into mine real quick. Let's see, this one might be loose. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, the lights are a little on and off. I mean, it all looks good besides that left light. It's a little, yeah, I mean, it's working, but I don't want to get pulled over for having, yeah, see, it's a little, I might have to replace this or look at the wires, so. And I didn't know it didn't have a spare. I didn't know you didn't have another tire with it. Do 2,500? I'm gonna need to probably replace this light and get another tire. Let's do 2,500. You have a spare? Okay. Okay. Perfect. And I can take this with me? Yeah. I can take it? All right. For 26? 26? Yeah, that's cool with me. Okay. Sweet. Let me grab the money. Go ahead and count it. Perfect. Who is that you? Who is that? That's you?
No.
No?
No, it's this guy.
Okay, is this the old owner?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you just never registered it in your name?
No.
Okay, and you bought it from him?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have his number, his phone number?
Yes.
Can I have his phone number just in case? Just in case anything happens and I need to reach out.
Okay.
You know. Okay. 6, 2. All right, perfect. Okay. Thank you. Throw that in there. Yeah, that works. Thank you. All right, that's it. I'll hook it up and I'll head out. All right, thank you. Appreciate it. You have a good one. Thank you. Okay, so we have just bought the trailer. It is all official. I don't know if I put some clips from me actually buying the trailer. It was a little hard to get some clips and I was trying to be respectful of him, of course. But you did see that interaction. You kind of saw the things I did, the different things I asked about, things I talked about, and yeah, pretty much how it went. By the way, I am gonna be stopping probably in about an hour, if I had to guess, just to get gas, because I won't be able to make it back home on this tank. So once I stop, I'll be able to show you guys the trailer up close and not just, here I'm talking about, because obviously you guys are here to see the trailer and I want to show you guys that. So that'll be next time I stop, I'll show you. The price I ended up paying was $2,600 for this trailer. I think that's a great deal for what I'm getting. It's a 6x12. It's a full size enclosed trailer. It's not a 5x8 or a 5x10 or whatever. So I'm gonna be able to use this thing hopefully for a very long time. Hopefully I don't run into any issues. But yeah, 6x12. It has the folding door down. So when I put the door down, it makes a ramp that I can use to roll my bike up. I don't have to worry about putting an extra ramp, which is super nice, something I wanted. It has a side door, which is nice. It looks like it's in decently well conditioned. I think it just needs a wash and there's nothing really wrong with it, If you look on the underside, kind of some of the frame and like the axle is a little rusted, but I mean, that's just given with an old trailer. So I didn't know what year it was coming into it. And when I looked at the title, he did have the title, which is another good sign. When I looked at the title, it was 2004. So it is an old trailer. And I guess that's why, I'm able to get it so cheap. It is an old trailer. It has a little bit of imperfections, but other than that, in my opinion, I don't think it looks like a 21-year-old trailer. It looks great. So I think I definitely got my money's worth. I think I definitely got a good deal. So we're just gonna hope and pray that the lights continue to work. Cause like I said, they're a little iffy, a little on and off. We have issues with the lights. I don't have to replace a bunch of wiring or even the modules itself. That would suck, but we're gonna do what we have to do. It's ours now. So anyway, that was a lot of talking. Next clip, hopefully we can show you the trailer. But yeah, peace out. All right guys, we just stopped at a Buc-ee's to go ahead and fill up on gas. And I just wanted to show you guys the trailer and yeah, see what we actually got. So here it is. Here's the trailer. It's not the most glorious thing in the world, but I mean, it's a 6x12. You can see the frame's a little bit rusted. The front right here, it's a little bit rusty. I'm gonna try to clean that up, maybe grind, sand some of that off and put a new paint job on it. The frame under is a little bit rusty. Yeah, go ahead and open it up. You can see inside, looks very nice. All the wood's nice. Here's that spare that he gave me. I mean, it's not perfect, but I mean, it's not bad at all. It has tie-down points and all. And yeah, this is now my trailer. So yeah, there it is in all its glory. Very, very happy with this. One thing that I knew was gonna happen, but kind of sucks, is the mileage you get on this thing freaking sucks. Having this attached and driving with it, I'm getting like freaking 8 to 10 miles a gallon. It is horrible. But yeah, that is now our trailer. All we have to do is get the title transfer appointment and transfer it over to us, and it's all ours. Like I said, I want to fine tune it a little bit, fix that rust, fix some of the little tiny issues. Doesn't have a lot of issues, but fix those, make it all nice and clean. Obviously clean it up, pressure wash it, maybe repaint some areas and make it look beautiful. But honestly, it's not bad for a 2004. It's not a bad trailer at all. It's pretty awesome. We do have about 2.5 to 3 hours left on our ride. This is our first stop for gas. I'm sure we're gonna have to stop at least 1 or 2 more times before we get back, because this thing eats through gas. I mean, it's just insane. Driving with 8 miles per gallon is insane. And I'm also like on the highway, if it hits 75, I'm sticking at like 65 the whole time in the right lane. Just if I get even to like 70, my mileage drops like 5 or 6, and that is just, I can't do that. That's just insane. I'd rather drive 65 at like 11 miles per gallon than drive at like 6, So yeah, we got a lot more driving to do. I'm going to see you guys later. Maybe I'll update once I get back home, or maybe I'll just do an outro. I don't know. But yeah, appreciate you guys sticking around, and see you guys later.